Hi everyone, today I'm doing an overview of this microwave. I thought I'd like to show you. Starting with inside the door, time cook, wait time defrost, power, dinner plate, grill, combi, popcorn, potato, frozen pizza, frozen vegetables, beverage, meat. Got 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4, 9 minutes. 9 minutes is too hot. I might burn the food, so I'll put it either there. And it's been very reliable warning. Do not with skin of foods, non-porous skins, example potatoes, to allow steam to escape as the builds up. Pressure can cause the food to burst and create a fire hazard. Do not remove the light. Brown a micro cover on in the middle right and over the oven cavity. Operating the oven without this cover is dangerous and could cause a hazard. Let's go you do a like there. Okay, that's the overview of this, the Lange freestanding microwave. Hope you enjoyed this videos. Bye, and good morning to you. Hope you enjoy all this videos. I'll see you in the next one. For the moment, good morning and bye for now, and thanks for watching.